For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a mobile app business has never been more accessible, thanks to free AI tools that simplify everything from idea generation and app design to coding, marketing, and customer support. With the help of these tools, you can reduce development costs, speed up your launch, and compete in a growing global market. This step-by-step guide will walk you through how to create and grow your own mobile app business using free AI solutions. Step 1. Define your app idea with AI help. The foundation of a successful mobile app business starts with a solid idea that solves a real problem or fulfills a demand. You can use ChatGPT to generate mobile app ideas based on market trends, target audience interests, or industry gaps. This process can be guided by simple prompts such as, "Give me 10 mobile app business ideas targeting fitness enthusiasts with monetization potential." You can refine the output by asking for more specific categories like apps for busy moms, AI-powered productivity apps, or apps for small business accounting. You can also use Google Trends and ChatGPT together. For example, ask ChatGPT, "Analyze Google Trends data to suggest app categories that are gaining popularity globally in 2024. Step 2. Validate your idea using AI surveys and market data. After identifying your idea, validate it with potential users to ensure there's actual demand. Use Google Forms or Typeform, free versions available, to create a survey. You can ask ChatGPT, "Create a user survey to validate my mobile app idea that helps freelancers track income and expenses." Distribute the survey through social media, Reddit, and other online communities where your target users spend time. For competitive analysis, you can use ChatGPT with this prompt. Create a competitor analysis table for top budgeting apps on Android and iOS, including features, ratings, and user feedback summaries. This can help identify weaknesses in existing apps that your app can improve on. Step 3. Develop a business plan with AI assistance. A structured business plan helps guide your strategy and is essential if you seek funding. ChatGPT can generate a full business plan tailored to your app concept. Use the following prompt. Write a mobile app, start a business plan for an AI-based language learning app. Include sections on market opportunity, competitive analysis, monetization model, and marketing strategy. For financial planning, use Google Sheets with GPT integration or simply ask, "Create a basic financial projection for a freemium mobile app, including estimated development cost, monthly expenses, revenue forecasts, and break-even point." Step 4. Design the app interface using AI tools. Design is crucial to user experience. Free tools like Wizard and Figma, starter versions, use AI to turn hand-drawn sketches or text prompts into user interface mockups. In Wizard, you can design a mobile app UI for a grocery delivery app with 3 screens: login, product list, and checkout, and receive instant results. For design guidance, ask ChatGPT, suggest a color scheme, layout structure, and user flow for a mindfulness meditation app targeted at teenagers. Combine that with Figma's free design templates to speed up visual prototyping. Step 5. Build the app without coding using no-code AI tools. You can create fully functional mobile apps using no-code platforms that integrate AI. Tools like Glide, Adalo, and AppJiver allow you to build apps through drag-and-drop interfaces. Glide, for example, turns Google Sheets into mobile apps. Describe your structure in ChatGPT. Give me a step-by-step guide to building a booking app using Glide with Google Sheets. Alternatively, you can use ChatGPT's code generation features if you want to develop using actual code. Try this prompt. Generate React Native code for a to-do list app with add, edit, and delete functionality. You can then test and modify the output with tools like Expo Go. Step 6. Create a marketing plan using free AI tools. Once the app is developed, the next step is to market it. You can ask ChatGPT to generate a marketing strategy using a prompt like, Create a 3-month mobile app marketing plan for a language learning app with no advertising budget. The plan can include content creation, influencer outreach, app store optimization, and launch strategies. For content creation, use Canva, free plan, and ask ChatGPT. Write 10 Instagram post captions to promote a new meditation app. For blog articles, write a 700-word blog post titled 5 Reasons to Try Guided Meditation on Your Phone Today. For App Store optimization, write a compelling App Store and Google Play description for a workout tracking app, including keywords. Step 7. Launch and promote your app. Before launching, test your app with beta users using TestFlight for iOS or Google Play's internal testing. Ask ChatGPT. Draft an email inviting beta testers to try my new productivity app with instructions and a feedback form. Collect and analyze feedback using Google Forms and ChatGPT for summarization. Summarize 50 user feedback responses and categorize them by feature request, bug report, or positive review. Once you're ready to launch, use free press release generators like Prowly's Trial or Ask. Write a press release for the launch of my AI-powered personal finance app. Step 8. Monetize the app with AI-backed strategy. Choose a monetization strategy that fits your app: ads, freemium, subscriptions, or in-app purchases. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas with list 5 monetization strategies for a mobile fitness app with pros and cons. You can even simulate earning scenarios. Estimate monthly revenue for a meditation app with 10,000 monthly active users on a freemium model with a 2% conversion rate. Integrate analytics tools like Firebase, free, to track user engagement. Ask ChatGPT, what metrics should I track in Firebase to improve retention in a journaling app? Step 9. Provide customer support and iterate using AI. After launch, customer support is key. Use ChatGPT to generate responses to common user queries with write friendly email responses to users complaining about login issues in my app. You can also automate help centers using ChatGPT-generated FAQs. Gather user feedback regularly and feed it back into your product development cycle. You can prompt ChatGPT with, based on this user review data, suggest improvements to the onboarding experience. Conclusion. Building a mobile app business using free AI tools is no longer reserved for developers or funded startups. With tools like ChatGPT, Wizard, Glide, Canva, and Firebase, you can go from concept to revenue-generating business at minimal cost. The key is to leverage AI at every step, from idea generation and planning to design, development, marketing, and scaling. By combining creativity with AI automation, you can build apps that solve problems and stand out in a competitive market. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.